Alright, well, here's what we got today. Just a quick update. I just did a video on my other Zippo lighter. And this one here is the pipe lighter. And the pipe. It's got a little spout on the side. So for lighting your pipe, you can drop that down in there, light the pipe, shut it back up. This is also a Thunderbird insert for these lighters. They are super handy. I love this one. I haven't used this one as much out here in the shop today. Thunderbird insert. I'm not sure we're going to get that to focus. Thunderbird, it's a butane insert for the carcass of the Zippo lighter. I love the Zippo lighter. Just haven't used them very recently because they always run out of fluid. So we've got that one, and then we got this other one. Both standard lighters, and just doing a quick smoke on the bullpup. I've had this for quite a while, came unfinished. The oils in your hand finish it. I love it. But mainly just wanted to send out a shout out to anybody that hasn't tried these Thunderbird inserts. Should give them a try. This little flipper here, when it's flipped down like that, means gas is escaping and it's ready to light. And then for the pipe lighter, it comes out the side, right down inside there. And for the standard, comes out the top just like a normal lighter would. And then down inside there you can almost see where the oil comes out. Or not the oil, but the butane. Anyway guys, just wanted to give you a quick update. Love these. If you don't have one, pick one up. They are awesome. And that's about it. Pen and pull out.